Hi guys, in this video I would share some awesome tips and tricks on 1v1 close combat. Before I start, as I have shared on my previous video, there are multiple types of battle in PUBG Mobile. We will be focusing on open combat sniper shotgun battle like this, basically guns that hit one by one or two shots. There are only two things that all you have to think about when using this types of guns in battle. That is firing and dodging. Firing when you're safe and dodging when you're in danger. Basically letting them use their bullets first, dodging them like this, then firing at them after they use their bullets.
On to dodging. There are three effective ways you can do this. First, dodging like this. Basically jiggling, confusing them. As I've shared in the last video, jiggling only works when your aim is on your enemy.
So when you do this first type of dodging, make sure your aim is on your enemy like this. This might look simple, but it's very effective, and enemies are nervous, they might not hit you, especially when you master doing it.
Now for the second type of dodging. You run like this, confusing them where you would really go.
You can do this facing them like this. Or facing backwards on them like this. You will look like this in their perspective, making them all confused in where they would really aim to hit you. Overall, just always put in your mind to dodge whenever you think they would fire, either dodging like this, or this. Or even like this where you prone. Or jump and climb, or jump. In all types of dodging, the most effective and fastest way to dodge shot-by-shot bullets is where you run into the opposite side immediately like this. How about you guys? How do you dodge shot-by-shot bullets? Let us know in the comments section below.
The other one is kind of a trick in PUBG that only few players know, but it's effective and players might think you are hacking, as you does look like cheating when doing this. To do this, you will use this I button, immediately facing it towards your enemy like this. Then immediately fire the firing button, like this, making your enemy wonder how you hit then. You will look like this in your enemy's perspective when you do this successfully. Which does look like hacking in their view. In your perspective it should look like this. This is what I call the no-look firing.
In conclusion, in shot-by-shot battle, all you have to think is firing when you're safe, dodging when you're in danger, like this. It requires some battle sense to anticipate when they would fire and when you would fire, so just keeps practicing, eventually you will master it.
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon, but I'm running, chasing speed and gunning, I'll be right there all of a sudden.
Before we end, I have bonus tips for pan battle. The same idea applies, only hit when safe, dodge when in danger like this.
In the next video, I would be sharing battle with cover like this, using all types of guns, revealing the secret of shotgun main players. That's it for my tips and tricks for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. But before I end, don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you find this tips useful. Now for some battle montage. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, share and like if you enjoy and find this tips useful.